Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by organizing your tools and choosing a strong composition because space reads clearly when shapes are bold. Begin with light, confident strokes to block in the largest elements: planet silhouettes, a horizon line, and a comet path. Once done, check proportions and adjust overlap so depth is implied. Make sure to leave negative space for stars and nebulae. This early stage sets scale and balance. Correct errors now with an eraser, instead of overworking later. Now you refine the forms and add texture to convince the eye. Start by deepening limb shadows and carving thin crescent highlights. This creates volume. Next, layer star fields using a toothbrush or stippling brush, then softly smudge for distant haze. For nebulae, work in translucent layers and lift color to reveal brighter pockets. Once your midground elements like rings and moons are placed, vary edge sharpness to separate near versus far. Make sure transitions remain readable as you build complexity. Finish by adding crisp highlights and subtle glows to sell atmosphere and material differences. You should place specular glints where light would catch and tint shadows slightly cool versus warm highlights for depth. Once done, step back and scan for visual noise, lower contrast, or remove tiny stars that distract. If colors clash, mute saturation in a single pass to unify the scene. One tip: if a planet reads flat, reintroduce a soft rim light and a faint surface texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.